Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw your favorite Doraemon. Doraemon is a friendly blue robot cat from the future. He has a magic pocket on his tummy where he keeps all sorts of amazing gadgets. Doraemon used this gadget to help his best friend Nobita with his problem and adventure. Doraemon is kind and always ready to help. He can fly using a bamboo copter, travel through with a time machine and do many other amazing things with his gadgets. He loves eating Dora cakes, a sweet treat. Kids and toddlers love Doraemon because he teaches the importance of friendship, kindness and solving problems in a fun way. Watching Doraemon adventure is always exciting and full of surprises.